You want to know what my hair looks like after I straighten it? Like this. Horrible. Also with some semi-heat damage. But what I'm going to do is fix that. And I'm going to do the aphogee 2-step protein treatment and follow that up with the Shea Moisture's Deep Hair Mask, which is going to provide me moisture. First, I'm going to clarify my hair with my clarifying shampoo. Then I'm going to go out and section my hair into 2 different sections. Then I'm going to even create smaller sections so I can get the product all through my hair, because this product is a protein treatment, so it's going to, you want it on every single strand basically. A little heads up if you plan on using this treatment. It's very, very messy and it's very, very sticky. So how I love to apply it is put it in a spray bottle and spritz it on my hair. As you can see here, if you don't do this and you just pour from the bottle, it's going to get everywhere. Like even on the desk in front of me, I have to have a towel there. And then you want to actually work fast and comb it through also. So you make sure all the product is through your hair. But why I say you have to comb fast is because once this dries, it gets very, very hard. If you ever used the protein treatment before, you know what I'm talking about. It gets extremely hard. So you want to comb the hair out while it's extremely wet and detangled. Now before you use this product, I would advise you to find out if you're protein sensitive, because it can do so much damage. Now if you're not, this product works great for breakage, hair growth, everything. After you straighten your hair, it helps with heat damage. It's just amazing. Now I'm going to continue to do the same steps in each section. For each side, I divide my hair into 3 extra sections, and that's how I get it all through my hair. For best results for this product, I would suggest you do it every 6 weeks. No sooner than that. And make sure every time you use this protein treatment, you have to use a moisturizing deep treatment also. A very intense moisturizing deep treatment. Now this company provides a moisturizing treatment with this product, but I prefer to use my own because I have my preferences, but you always can go by their brand also. I get a lot of questions asking me, well, what did I do to grow my hair so healthy and long through my hair journey? Well, one thing that I did was use this faithfully. I used it every 6 weeks and it did wonders for my hair. This helps with your ends so it retains length also. So the price of this product is about, for 16 fluid ounces, it's about $20 to $22. If that's a bit much for some people, an alternative is an egg treatment. I used to do egg and honey treatments all the time when I did not have this on hand. But the 16-ounce bottle lasts me for about 6 to 7 months. So the sections that I started off with, by now, my hair should be getting hard by now in the back. So you won't see me touching that at all. You don't want to touch it while it's hard because you don't want your hair to break. If you don't apply this right, you can cause breakage. So you'll leave this product in your hair for about an hour. You just want to make sure all the strands are completely dry. And how you know if they're dry is your whole hair will be fully sticky, and it will be fully hard. And remember, once it's hard, that's a good thing. That's what it's supposed to do. That's how you know the product is actually working, repairing your hair. it out, and it's more defined, more manageable, and everything, ready for me to deep condition my hair. If you guys like videos like this, please let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.